In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Amazon Prime account with your friends. Now, whether you're looking to share Prime benefits with a buddy or perhaps a family member, the process is quite straightforward. Let's dive right into it. First things first, head over to Amazon.com and make sure you're signed in using your Amazon Prime account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a section on the top right of the page labeled Account and Lists. Give that a click. This will take you into your main account hub, a space where you can manage everything from orders to payment options. Now from there, scroll down a bit until you find the section labeled Your Amazon Family. This is essentially the gateway to sharing your Prime account. Click on that and it will open up a new page where you can manage your Amazon household settings. Speaking of which, to add someone to your household, look for the option that says Add a New Member and select it. This is the initial step in bringing someone else on board. You'll then be prompted to choose whether you're adding an adult or a child. In this case, let's select Add Adult. It's important to note that adding an adult will allow them to share your Prime benefits and even retain their own personal content and payment methods. After that, you'll be given two options, either to link two separate accounts or to create a profile within your account. For our purposes, let's click Link Two Separate Accounts. This choice gives the added person more autonomy as they can maintain their independent Amazon account while still sharing your benefits. The next step is crucial. Enter the name and email address of the person you wish to invite and then click Continue. Amazon will send them an invitation, and it's essential that they accept this invite to become a part of your Amazon household officially. Once they've accepted your invitation, they'll gain access to your Prime benefits, which can include free shipping, Prime Video, and possibly more depending on your region's offerings. Sharing these benefits can be a great way to extend the value of your Prime membership to the people you care about. It allows them to enjoy the same perks you love without having to sign up for their own individual membership entirely. There you have it, the simple process of sharing your Amazon Prime account with friends. Remember, each step is intuitive, and with a little bit of navigation, you'll have your Amazon household set up in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.